Exclusive. Minister warns of prison crisis, unveils new capacity plans to avert repeat of last summer's riots. Last summer's riots, fueled by misinformation spread by far-right extremists, exposed a critical vulnerability within the UK prison system. Now, Justice Minister James Timpson reveals an unprecedented plan to prevent a repeat of the chaos that erupted between July 30th and August 7th, a period marked by widespread unrest triggered by false claims linking the Southport attack perpetrator to Islam and asylum seeking. In an exclusive interview with The Guardian, Minister Timpson confirmed that prisons across the country are undergoing significant preparations to handle a potential surge in inmate numbers. This proactive measure underscores the government's determination to avoid a repeat of the alarming situation that saw prisons overflowing and strained beyond their capacity. The minister stressed the importance of bolstering prison infrastructure and resources to ensure the safety and security of both inmates and staff. This isn't merely about adding cells. It's about proactively addressing the systemic issues that contributed to last summer's crisis. The planned increase in cell capacity aims to eliminate the need for emergency early release schemes, a controversial measure implemented during the height of the crisis. The reliance on such schemes highlights the precarious state of the prison system and the urgent need for long-term solutions. These solutions, Timpson insists, extend beyond simply providing more space. The government's strategy encompasses a multifaceted approach designed to address the root causes of prison unrest and to improve the rehabilitation prospects for inmates. The minister's comments follow concerns raised by a High Point prisoner who highlighted the limited access to vocational training and educational opportunities within the prison system. This prisoner's testimony underscores a broader issue identified in a recent prisons watchdog report: a significant shortfall in purposeful activities, adequate education, and training programs available to inmates. The report highlighted that far too few prisoners at High Point, and likely across the system, are benefiting from programs designed to equip them with the skills and knowledge necessary for successful reintegration into society upon release. This lack of access to rehabilitation programs not only contributes to recidivism, but also fuels tensions within the prison environment. This systemic failure to provide adequate rehabilitation opportunities directly contradicts the government's stated aim of reducing crime and improving public safety. It's a critical flaw that Minister Timpson's planned increase in capacity attempts to address, albeit indirectly, by reducing the pressure cooker environment created by overcrowding. In a related development, Justice Secretary Shabana Mahmood recently announced the exploration of a good behavior credits system, inspired by a similar program in Texas. This initiative, designed to incentivize positive behavior and facilitate early release for deserving inmates, could potentially mitigate overcrowding and provide a more nuanced approach to prison management. However, the success of such a program hinges on its fair and consistent implementation, ensuring that it doesn't inadvertently disadvantage certain groups of prisoners. The challenge facing the government is substantial. It's not just about building more prisons. It's about creating a prison system that effectively balances public safety with the rehabilitation and reintegration of offenders. Minister Timpson's announcement represents a crucial step towards achieving this balance, but the true measure of its success will lie in its ability to address the underlying issues that led to last summer's crisis and prevent a similar escalation in the future. The government's commitment to reform, extending beyond merely increasing cell capacity, will be paramount in ensuring the long-term effectiveness of this strategy. The focus on improving access to education, training, and rehabilitation programs is crucial for reducing recidivism and fostering a more just and equitable prison system. Only time will tell if this comprehensive approach will truly solve the complex issues plaguing the UK's prison system.